Samsung is said to be gearing up to launch a new 5G mid-range smartphone. The upcoming smartphone will be introduced in the Galaxy A series and will be dubbed Galaxy A52 5G. The unit will be launching as the successor to the Galaxy A51 5G, which debuted earlier this year. The device already has been spotted on several online platforms, including Geekbench. Now it has been signed at another benchmarking website confirming its existence and upcoming launch. Samsung Galaxy A52 5G leaks against online. The Samsung Galaxy A52 has been listed on the HTML5 test browser benchmark website. The device was initially spotted on Samsung Mobile with the Samsung A52 6B model number. The handset has been tripped on with the same model number earlier as well. Array previously made it to be the Geekbench database with this model number. Unfortunately, the HTML5 test browser benchmark database doesn't reveal any specific in terms of hardware. The listing only reveals Android 11 OS. It could be likely that the device comes pre-installed with any latest One UI custom skin. Just for reference, this OS was tipped by the Geekbench database as well. In the benchmark test on the HTML5 test, the Samsung Galaxy A52 5G has scored 523 out of 555 points. Now coming to the previously tipped features, the Galaxy A52 5G Geekbench listings suggested the octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. The chipset WI have a clock speed of 1.8 GHz and will be paired up to 6 GB of RAM. The storage capacity of the Galaxy A52 5G hasn't been revealed just yet. However, we can rule out the possibility of less 128 GB of storage. The smartphone will likely sport a Super AMOLED panel, which is the measure 6.5 inch and will have a Full HD resolution. It is likely to come with the punch hole display design.